Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I'm going to be sharing some things that would make your life easier. They make my life easier, and I've rounded them up to, I have 10 things that is going to make your day go a little bit smoother. Maybe you'll be a little bit happier, and just overall, it's just going to make your life that much easier. Okay, so the first thing is like getting yourself ready for the next day. So the night before you go to sleep, after you put your children to bed, I would just go ahead and put all your dishes in your dishwasher, and I would run the dishwasher. Because when you wake up in the morning, you take them out, and then it's an empty, so during the day, as you're going throughout your day, you can put them in, and then you're not doing like a huge load of dishes like a couple of times a day. Like I know that when my sink is dirty, I don't know, I just feel like that's how my brain is. Like if my sink is dirty, my brain is flustered, but if my sink is clean and my kitchen is clean, I feel really happy. And when I'm happier, I'm obviously nicer, I'm more patient. Things just go a lot better. Okay, so this also goes along with after you do your dishes, you need to go ahead and wipe down all your counters, wipe down your table. Make sure that when you wake up in the morning and you walk into your kitchen, everything is just perfectly clean and it's just one less stress. So you can start from scratch, like just a clean slate the next day. And I'm telling you, for your own mind and body, it just makes your life that much easier. I don't do that, and I wake up in the morning and the sink is full of dishes and the counters have stuff on them. I just feel like, oh, I have so much to do today. But when I wake up and my house is clean and things are nice and organized and already done, I feel like I have more time to do things that I want to do, like spend time with my children and with my husband. Okay, so the next thing that I do, and I always thank myself in the morning. I think, thank you, Katie, from yesterday. Thank you for making your coffee. So the night before, I always go ahead and I prep my coffee for the next day. It just makes mornings so much easier. I wake up at 5:30. I wake up before everybody else. I come downstairs and my coffee is already waiting for me. All I have to do is press start and my coffee comes down, and all I have to do is grab my creamer. And I'm telling you, it's the little things in life, especially when you're a mom. It's the little things in life that make such a big difference. I mean, when I don't do that, I don't prep my coffee and I have to come down and I'm already tired. And I'm like, oh, I gotta put water, I gotta put my coffee in, and I gotta wait. And it adds like an extra 10 minutes to my already busy morning routine. So I'm like, you know what? I'm always so thankful when I come down. I'm like, oh, all I have to do is press start on my coffee machine. Okay, so the next thing that I do, and then I've just started doing this, and especially now that school is back in session, is I lay out the kids' clothes the night before. We go over what they want to wear, especially my daughter Brielle. I was noticing that every morning we'd just pick her clothes, and she'd be crying, upset, she didn't like this, and we were kind of like fighting about it, and it kind of set the tone, you know what I mean? And it made me stress, it made her stress. That's not what you want in the morning. You want everything to be easy peasy, you know, just a great routine. So when I started laying out her clothes and letting her pick, give her a couple options, let her pick her outfit, she's so much happier. She knows, oh, I already picked my outfit, I'm so happy. She knows to put it on, and we move on with our day. And it's the same with the other ones. It's a no-brainer. We're not fussing and fighting over what clothes to wear. It's been a game changer. Laying out their clothes the night before is a total must if you're a mom. But I take it one step further, and I also do it for myself too. I lay my clothes out, and lately I've been doing it like 3 or 4 days. So in the morning I don't have to think, because usually I'm in a rush just for myself, just to slap on some makeup and try to get myself ready. And when you're trying to go through your closet and you're like, I hate everything, and you're just so like flustered in the morning to just get something on. But when you have things laid out and you have the pants and the shirt or whatever you're wearing, and you just take it off the hanger and put it on, it just makes your life so much easier. So I know these tips are super simple, and maybe you'll already do them, but they really make a huge difference, especially if you're doing all of these during the day. It really makes a huge difference in like the outcome of your day and like your overall happiness. Okay, so my next tip is just to wake up earlier. Before I was waking up at 7 with the kids, so whenever they woke up, I would wake up with them, and then we were running around and I was trying to make lunches and get them ready and do breakfast and do all that, and then try to even get myself ready. It was like I was in a sweat. By the time I dropped, you know, preschool drop off, I was literally like sweating. I was like running around, hectic, you know, yelling at the kids, like, get your shoes on. So now I don't do that anymore. I wake up at 5:30. I have my quiet time. I get my work done, what I have to do. I prep the kids' lunches. I get their breakfast ready. They come downstairs. Everyone is super happy. It's honestly been life-changing waking up at 5:30. I wish I've done this sooner. I get so much more done with my day. I just feel extra productive. I feel ready for the day, and I honestly, if you are scrambling in the morning, and I know it's going to be hard the first few weeks, but once you kind of get into a routine, it's like gold. 5:30, that's what time I wake up. That has been also life-changing for me. Okay, so the next one is easier too. It's just about being organized and planning. So if you are meal planning for the week, do you know how much easier that makes your life? I can't even tell you how much time and money it saved me. I'll link my last video, my meal planning for a family of 5, and then I spent $25 in groceries that week. So meal plan, just, you know, Sunday or whenever you go, before you go grocery shopping, make an inventory of everything you have, use up what you have first, and then see if you do need anything, and just get the basics. You're going to save money, and you're also going to say, okay, today's Tuesday, I need to take out meat for today or for tomorrow, and you already know, like, you're already thinking ahead the day before. Okay, so tomorrow we're going to have soup, this is what I'm going to have to do. So just being organized and having a plan, it just makes everything run smoother. So if you're doing everything and you're like a machine, like that's how I almost picture myself. Like I'm this working machine with all these different parts going at different speeds, and I have so many different things. And as moms, you wear so many different hats. You're a nurse, you're a cook, you're everything. But if everything is going smooth and you're organized and you can easily get to things and you know what to plan for, and okay, I know what I'm doing for dinner today, I know what I'm doing for dinner on Friday, like just having a plan really will make your life so much easier. Okay, so this is the thing I do also. The night before, I always think about my next day. Like when I'm laying in bed, I'm like, okay, so tomorrow is Wednesday. Wednesday we have, Brielle has school, Ava has school, we have Ava's dance. We already lay her clothes out the night before because it's one less step to do that next day, and that's what the night before the day, you just want to get everything you can ahead of time. So, okay, so I know I need to do that. What are we doing for dinner? Okay, I got to make sure in the morning I take out the meat. So I go in my head and I go through step by step. What is my plan for tomorrow? What am I doing? Am I going to go grocery shopping in the morning? Okay, so did I make my list already? And I go like that, and I make a plan. And I feel like when I wake up in the morning and I just, okay, so this is what I'm doing. That I move. I just feel like it makes life easier. I mean, right? If you have a plan, okay, so today this is what I'm doing. And I'm a free spirit too. Like I like to not have a plan sometimes too, but I'm planning my time when I don't have a plan. And I know that's so stupid, and I never thought that I would be like this, but after becoming a mom of 3, and I feel like I run this house like you have to be organized, because you need it for your own mental health, and you need it for your children. Your children like structure. They like to know what's the plan. Okay, Mom, what are we doing next? You know, it just runs smoother. I know I keep saying that, but this is what I've noticed. If things in your house are running smoothly, everyone is happier, and if your kids are happier, what more could you want? I mean, that's all I want is my kids to be so happy. So if I can do these little things that just make everyone happier and life easier, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so that's everything for today. I hope you like videos like this. Let me know if you do, and let me know if there are other videos you'd like to see. I would love to show you. But I hope these tips help you, and let me know if you do use them and if it does make your life easier, because I know this is what's been working for me, and I'm always trying to find things that make my life easier. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.